Everyone, this is Kinjibo Vlogs, a Filipino reactor based here in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Again, go na sa reaction video. Ang live nga. I don't know, I think this is TikTok live, right? This is TikTok live from Kairen. Kasi, why not? Kagabi kasi patulog na ako, tapos nag-scroll ako sa TikTok. Tapos nakita ko, sabi ko, oh wait lang, kailan to? Parang bago to ah. Sabi ko, parang hindi ko to napanood pa before sa mga compilation na ginagawa ko na reaction video. And so happened, no parang, hala, ang lala ni Jaren dito. What is award? Award si Kai. Pero hindi ko alam yung context. Pero may mga nababasa ako na sinasabi nila na parang, ano yan sir, parang fake jowa prank, I think so. But, I don't know. Let's check it out. So, without further ado, let's all watch this.
Ano sasabihin ko?
Ano yun naman, Kai?
What's up, Kai?
Jaren.
Na pala.
Yeah?
Ay, tinawagan
Wait lang.
nila.
Excuse me, wait.
Yes,
Hold
please,
on. Hold on. Ano sasabihin ko?
Ipaprank nila si Jaren.
Ano sasabihin ko,
Okay.
guys?
Hindi pala planned.
Ano sasabihin ko?
Akala ko planned na ipaprank nila tayo. Ng mga kakouts, ng mga Kairenites.
Jaren, can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Podcast.
Jaren, Jar,
Hello?
can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Hello?
Pag-usap si Kai.
Jaren,
Ano ba yung feeling na parang palagi
Yes.
sila nag-uusap
Can you
na very
hear me?
comfortable na?
Yes, I can hear you.
Hindi mo lang nahihiyan.
Hello.
Ano bakit mo lang ganun? Very ano lang siya, very comfortable. Kasi palagi sila
Hello?
nag-uusap.
Bro, I'm about to end this call. Stop playing around.
Ah,
Yes, I know you can hear me, Kai.
I know you can hear me, Kai.
oh, I can hear you now.
Jaren, alam mo si Jaren,
No,
yung baby
no,
mo
this
na
for real, this for real.
malambing. Pero pag
I have a
mainit
question.
ang ulo,
Or
sila
is
siya
it some
yung
like
lalambing.
TikTok prank?
Golden Retriever.
Ha? Hindi!
Hindi siya Golden Retriever.
What is it?
No. That's real.
Very mad.
Okay, cool. What is
Ano?
it?
Lalaki. Tapos kung
Face
magpapalambing
reveal
siya,
daw, face
boom.
reveal.
Face
Are you
reveal.
on live?
Ayun,
No.
live? Ayun, live?
Maybe face reveal then.
Face? Why? What's wrong if I'm live? Should I go
Okay,
live?
then turn on your camera. Let me see.
Ano daw? Bakit naputol? Ano ba yan? Naputol
And I
yun?
feel... face reveal daw, face reveal.
Anong nangyayari? Nakakainis naman. Wait lang guys, andyan lang kayo. Okay, ibalik natin. Nawala ako, sorry.
Stop playing around.
Ay. Ito parang ganun si Jaren.
Kai.
Oh, I can hear you now.
Ayun, hey, Kai. Tingin ko talaga malambing.
What is it?
I have
Are
a
you doing it
question.
for real or is it some like TikTok prank?
Ay.
Ha? Hindi!
What is it?
No. It's real.
Bakit ganun sila, babe? Bakit ganun sila?
Face reveal daw, face reveal.
Face reveal. Ayun, go.
Are you on live?
Ayun, live?
No.
Award.
What do you mean face reveal then?
Ayun, face reveal
Why?
din.
What's wrong if I'm live? Should I go live?
Should I feel live?
Camera, let me see.
Ay, come here, let me feel you. Charis, kung ano-ano nila naririnig ko for today's
Where
video.
are you?
Kita mo ba ako?
Bakit ba?
Let me see. Where are you?
O, kaka.
Ay, ba't naman ang lambing-lambing niya? Nakakainis.
Asan ka?
Ba't parang ang lambing-lambing niya for today's video?
Kanay
Yun yung
utang.
tanong ko. Kani utang? Utang.
Kanay utang.
Kani utang?
Utang.
Utang.
How much?
How much?
Ano, 50,000.
Ay, iba na talaga mga kabataan ngayon.
50K. You know
Iba
why?
na mga kabataan ngayon.
I don't have a phone anymore.
What do you mean you don't have a phone? I see the reflection in your glass.
That's my iPad!
Ayan.
Your iPad is not that small.
Do you see this? That's my iPad. That's what I'm calling you with.
Ayan. Bakit ganyan sila mag-usap? Nagkapalitan. What's your phone?
That's the thing. It's gone.
It's gone.
What do you
Ang
need
niya.
50K for then?
Alvin yun, nakakainis.
A new one.
Nakakainis. Nakakainis ang arte nila.
have 50k.
You know how 50k.
I'm broke. Can I utang?
Why you lying, bro?
I'm not lying.
Ganyan ba talaga dapat,
Actually, it's
man?
worse. Sinasabihan lang kita ng 50k kasi I really need more than that.
Ay,
Shucks.
More.
I gotta pray to you know, for more, but like 50k na
You
lang.
know what? Don't even be asking me for 50k when you're in Okada, bro. Like,
Okada.
that's the like maddest thing anyone has
Yeah.
ever said to me.
ayan. Yun, gusto ko siyang awardan talaga ni Jaren kasi nagkinig talaga siya.
Ang kapal.
Ang kapal. Naglilisan talaga siya.
I just got here kasi because this is an old parang gift card whatever ganon. It's a reward kasi tas so pumunta ako here, you know? I need
So-
50k,
How
bro.
about you reward yourself by refunding them nights that you're staying at Okada?
You're not helping. This is a serious matter.
Ay,
Okay, I'll give you 50k, cool. But I'm gonna post on X.
impress.
Kai's
Ayan.
asking for 50k while staying in Okada and
Bakit
having like
ganyan?
2
Parang ang lambing-lambing nila.
God, don't say that.
Parang ganun, parang naglalambingan sila for today's
Don't say
video.
that. There are people, you know,
There are people.
around here.
Wait, who are you with?
I'm gonna do that. And
There are
Chris,
people.
Hi, Tito. Hi, Kuya.
Ito, tita.
they
Hi,
can hear you.
kuya.
You're in my ear.
Oh, okay.
And also,
And also, why?
I need more.
Ano yun?
What is
Okay.
this? What are you playing at, Kai?
Pusang wala.
Hindi ko kaya si Jaren. Pumipitik siya. Ang cute ng pitik niya kasi may lambing. We are playing that guy. Kakagising niya lang ba?
Ew!
Pumipitik siya, babe.
I need more money. 500,000 pesos.
Oh, ito yung girlfriend mo na kapag pinatulan mo ng pitik. Pag pinatulan mo yung gusto niyang pang-aasawa. Tapos,
Wala lang.
siya mismo ang mapipikon. Like, literal, tapos magpapalambing. Ganyan yan. Ganyan yan.
I'll give you 100k just for you to go shopping.
Yeah.
Hell nah. What the hell? Are you in the right state of mind?
Oh my God.
Come on, bye. Don't you love shopping?
Ang love shopping.
Yeah, I love shopping for myself. That's why I'm gonna keep that 500k and shop.
Sige,
Hindi sila
pitikin mo. Sige,
hindi nakaka-help mga tao, you know, these days.
sige, pitikin mo, Jaren. Pitikin mo, Jaren. Pitikin mo.
You asked for 50k and then you got from 500k from 50k. Yeah, you're insane.
Pitikin mo, Jaren. Pitikin
Would
mo,
you actually
Jaren.
believe I'm asking you for that much?
No.
What a normal conversation, no? Halatang nag-uusap sila behind the camera. Chaps. Parang totoo ang hinala
Tito
ko.
Porter?
No, I'm not gonna let you bring him into your kalokohan.
Ano
I just
po,
wanna
ha?
say hi. You said hi to
Ang
my
gwapo ni
dad.
Jaren. Ano mo yung nabivisualize ko si Jaren? Na kahit alam mo yung hindi nakikita ang mukha niya dyan.
500k.
Hindi nakikita ang mukha niya dyan. Parang nakikita mo nakakulot yung noo niya. Tapos ang sarap lang bingin. Ang gwapo ni Jaren. Parang sa PBB hindi ko siya na-appreciate. Pero yung nag-partner na sila ni Kai,
Sabi na
gwapo niya talaga. Lalo yung palagi. You don't get me wrong. Ang gwapo naman talaga ni Jaren. Pero iba yung
give daw the
palagi
money
nang
to
kumanta
Brad.
siya. Tapos
Oh, so sweet
may
talaga.
pagganon-ganon siya ng ulo
So
niya.
sweet talaga, Tito Bort. So nagmana anak niyo.
Ay,
What's this for? What are you
What's this
asking? What's this interrogation?
ayan na. Nahanap na yung phone.
Are you guys,
Hinahanap na yung
are you
phone.
guys, hold up.
Hold up.
Are
Parang
you
gusto ko yung
satisfied?
gayahin yung hold up.
Satisfied ba kayo?
Who are you talking to?
Ayun.
I thought
Ito.
you lost your phone. I thought you
Dear,
lost your phone.
pumipitik
I
siya.
lost my phone. I'm talking to
Promise.
somebody.
Pumipitik siya. As in. Ramdam ko pumipitik siya.
Right now, okay.
Okay, fine. Dahil hindi sila satisfied and I feel like hindi sila maging ever satisfied. Mag-hi ka na lang. Ready ka na?
Ready ka na?
Ready ka na?
Oh,
What is it?
ready.
I'm so scared.
Because I don't know what you're showing me. Like, who's...
Just say hi.
Yeah, sabi mo.
Hi.
Hi.
Ready ka na?
Sabi mo.
I'm ready.
Sabi mo, dali. Ay, hindi pala siya kakagising.
Okay ka.
Gwapo
You've been on
naman.
live this whole time, bro.
Yes,
No, I wasn't.
yes. Online siya. Award.
I thought I was in your ear, you liar.
Award.
You thought I was in what?
I thought I was in your ear.
In what
Why would you
now?
believe that? Huh? You're so
When you get
unanalytical.
500k, tell your TikTok followers. Why don't you ask your TikTok followers for
I don't need 500k. My God, they wanted me to do utang. Actually, they wanted me to do utang. A new prank on you. Eh, sabi, there's literally the biggest what do you call this? The
Well, you
biggest.
need to tell your followers that you need to take more acting classes because I was not persuaded.
Kasi they wanted me to do something else. I could definitely do this better, but I don't want them to get this. They're getting way too spoiled.
I say do it better. She calls me, she asks me 50k, but you're in Okada. Oh my god.
Oh
what
my
kind of-
god, oh my god. You know, I called you so that they would be satisfied. Tas you're gonna
Are they satisfied?
Are you guys satisfied?
You're satisfied.
I'm satisfied. I'm satisfied.
Satisfied? Gusto nila mag
And why would you say where you are on live?
They already know where I
Ito yung nakita ko
was.
sa Facebook. Ito yung nakita ko sa
you
Facebook
shouldn't go
kagabi.
announcing where you
Ayan,
are.
award.
Well,
What is
too late. Now
award?
everyone knows.
Well, you don't know who's watching your live, so...
What
don't
is
say your
award for
location.
today's video?
Yeah, my bad. But
Yeah, my bad.
nasabi ko eh, kaya
Yung alpha ka sa relasyon niyo, tapos na-realize mo, ay, oo nga, tama yung sinabi niya, kahit alpha ako.
I'm not gonna do
Yeah.
that prank, whatever you guys are asking me for.
Yeah.
But
What prank is that?
What?
it's
Oh
in love prank.
my God. Ay.
Hindi,
It's
not
not
that
Beware.
song. It's not that song. It's the other one. Again.
Palagi. Yes, palagi. Go. Hindi ko na nakita. Ito mang part nito.
Ano ba yan? Okay na kayo, guys? Okay na kayo? Okay ka na, Jaren? Satisfied ka
Okay
na?
ka na,
ha?
Jaren.
Not satisfied.
Ay,
So you're gonna give me 50k?
hindi pa talaga siya
So that you're
satisfied.
How about you go... Who you pranking next, then?
Di ko alam. I already pranked most of them. Ikaw yung last kasi ikaw yung most, what do you call this? Most requested.
Sus.
Sus? Hala ka.
Sus.
So snob. Snob talaga ni Jaren. Guys, snob.
How about you shut up?
Oh, did you guys hear that? Did you guys hear that? Ang snob. Kaya di ko yan magagawang prank na yan kasi ang hirap kaya gawin yan na prank. Ha? Tapos ito pag
That was the
kausap mo.
most terrible prank ever.
Sing, ano na?
Ang drama niya. Ang drama.
Yeah, that's insane.
What is my drama for today's video?
So you're telling my fans that they had like a, horrible yung idea nila na
Ayan.
pautang prank.
Ayan, naghanap na siya. Hindi yun, ganyan talaga yung mga babae. Mga babae sa boyfriend nila, naghanap ng kakampi. Ayan. Ayan, ganyan. Ganyan sila. Ganyan sila.
Put on a show.
Ganyan sila.
I'm not gonna do all that.
Ganyan sila. Ayan na sila. Ayan na, napipi ko na siya, diba? Yung sinasabi ko kanina, napipi ko.
Well, whatever.
Napipi ko na siya.
They wanted me to do something else anyway. So,
Hindi, napipi ko siya.
in love prank, kayo na lang gagawa.
What did you call
Palagi
them?
talagang pinakanda ni Jaren.
What did you call them?
Nothing. Sabi ko lang, kayo na lang gagawa sa in love prank. Kayo na lang ma-in love kay Jaren. Mas okay pa yun.
Ay, maniwala.
Sabi mo, okay, yeah.
No.
Ha? Sabi mo, oo.
No, not okay.
But ayaw mo. It's much easier for randoms to
What are they saying currently on your live?
in love prank. Ay, ganito na lang. Tawagin kita ulit. Tas, you know, you act like my prank worked. Okay?
Okay, cool.
Okay?
Alright.
Okay.
Ah,
Sige guys.
Ay.
I-cut niyo na lang to na part. Tas, I'm gonna call him. Tas ipaprank ko siya. Diba? Ayun.
hindi ka eh. Ang sarap kiligin sa mga batang ito. Diyos ko.
I-cut niyo na lang to. Tas ipaprank ko siya. Jaren?
Oh, what's Kai?
Hi, Jar.
What's up?
I wanted to ask you something.
What is it?
What is it?
This is a
Walang
serious
magawa.
question, so you better be serious.
Si Jerry yung
you
walang
cannot play
magawa
with me
kundi
right now.
payagan na lang.
What is it?
Si Jerry yung jowa mo walang magawa sa
I think-
kaampihan mo kundi sige na lang.
I'm starting to like someone.
Okay, nice.
It's okay.
No. Keep asking.
No.
Oh, who?
Who? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Who?
That's a good question. That's a good question talaga.
Who is it? Who is it, bro?
You know what? Answer to that question? I cannot answer it. Di ko siya ma-answer.
No, tell me.
Tell
Tell you,
me.
that's the hard
No,
part.
tell
I
me.
can't tell you,
Tell
bro.
me, bro.
Di kita masabihan for real.
No, tell
Tapos
me.
yan mo
Di kita
rin.
masabihan, bro. It's so hard.
You have to.
Kay si Jaden.
Jaren,
Nararamdaman ko. Jaden, sige na lang
I've been wanting to
pilit.
say this for like
I mean the
years,
POV na parang si Jaden yung jowa mo. Walang magawa sa kakulitan mo talaga.
Do you hear me? Are you even listening?
Para wala nang
You're
gulo,
listening?
oo na lang at oo.
3 years na, bro. 3 years.
Diba? I'm
Pero
listening, I'm
di ko pa rin
listening.
masabi. Di ko pa rin masabi. Di ko pa rin siya masabi.
Sige, sabihin mo na.
Sabihin ko na? Sabihin ko na?
Sabihin mo na.
I can't. I cannot.
Si Kai,
It's so ano kasi. He's so malaki ulo.
So,
Malaki ulo niya. So sasabihin ko sa kanya, baka he's gonna go, you know?
Sino siya?
sino siya?
Malakas ng dating.
Ewan ko sa iyo. Nakakaloka.
Ano ba? You're off the script, Jar. You're off the script. Balik
Bro,
sa
you
script.
went off the script too. Okay,
Balik sa
back
script.
to action.
Balik sa
Okay,
script.
balik sa script.
Balik
Balik
sa
sa
script.
script.
Jaren, ano kasi, ito gagay, malaki kasi ulo niya. Tapos, if I will tell him, baka mas lalaki ulo niya, tapos mag-e-explode na naman, you know?
Who is it then?
Who is it? Shucks,
Yeah,
di ko
who is
masabi.
Hindi wag.
Eh, di ba?
Hindi, wag na lang.
Wag na.
Wag na lang.
Wag mo na.
Hindi ko nang sabihin.
Sino? Sino siya?
Oh, wag. Screenshot. Again, smile on the screen. Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan? Acting,
What am I supposed to say, bruv?
acting like you gang daw, pero
What's to say?
ano ba yan?
I'm putting up the peace sign. This is a peace sign.
Papilitan lang talaga
Isa
siya
naman
sa
ba?
papilitan ng Kai. Diyos mo, ang cute
No, it depends
eh.
on how you use it.
Ayan na. Pumipitik na
Ano
siya.
ba yan? You're going off the topic.
Pumipitik na siya. Sorry.
Back to script.
Back to script.
Back to script, bye.
Oh my God.
Di ko masabi because
Sarap kiligin sa mga
I'm
batang to.
nervous, you know?
Hindi pa ako nakapagkape
My
ha.
heart is
Sa totoo
dug-dug
lang.
right now. Like, my heart is beating so fast.
Who wrote this script? My heart is dug dug.
My heart is beating.
Can you not? Huh?
Ayun na.
Mga audience
Please
yung
tell
script, oh.
me. Please tell me who is it?
Please tell me.
Sabihin mo na.
I'll tell
If you
you,
don't
pero
say
Kahit
it
gusto
now,
nilang
it's cool.
kahit gusto
Don't
niya
say it
sabihin,
now,
please
man.
tama na tong
5,
kaampihan natin.
4,
Usap
3,
tayo ng matino.
2,
I miss my
1.
baby Kai. Charis. Na not pranking
What the hell?
Kai. Charis.
Oh, end mo. End mo.
Ang
That
feeling ko
was your
ganyan sila
cue. That
mag-uusap
was your cue
talaga.
to say it.
Ay. Ano? Ewan.
Okay. Sorry.
Ay, nako.
Oh my god.
Sorry. Off script.
You're off the script.
Off the script.
Don't get off the script, Jar.
My bad.
Ay,
This is
tignan
our
mo, Jar.
break.
Jar.
On. Hindi ko masabi. sana
Sana,
sana someday meron ako lakas na loob para masabi ko na.
Na-
So,
ano na
you know
naman?
what? At dahil di ko naman masabi
Sino,
sa'yo,
best in ano talaga
di ka
siya,
naman
best
din
in ano, in
mabuting
character.
friend na ini-encourage ako para sabihin, di wag na lang. So, ito na ang takdang panahon para magsabi ng
Ano,
goodbye.
takta pala ako. Ay.
Dito na tayo
I can't
magpapaalam.
say. Dapat may kumanta dyan eh.
Now we started over again.
Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Sabi ko na nga ba may
You see
kakanta.
this? You see my hand? Kumakaway na siya. Kasi
Okay, cool.
di ko magawa eh. So,
Hindi ko magawa. So,
palagi.
Palagi.
Magbabay ka na rin sa mga tao. Kotang-kote na.
Bye-bye, madlang people.
Kotang-kote na sila.
kota-kota na.
Bye, madlang people.
Bye, my
Dapat mo
people.
na malaman.
Shut up.
Shut up. Ganun ba talaga dapat,
Snoop,
ma'am?
Ano, happy kayo guys?
Happy.
Inulit talaga namin eh.
Suffer. Suffer happy.
Inulit namin.
So, kasalanan namin, guys. Ay, tapos na. Anyways, there you go, guys. It is over for today's video. Our Kyren compilation. This is KD Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye. Cute na cute ako sa kanila. Sa totoo lang. Ay, nako.